Gusii Nation, viva!
Viva!
Viva vijana, viva!
Viva!
Ndoche bono twabweneire, twabweneire, ndoche bono twabweneire, na Matiangi kende igoro.
Thanks, our member for the state. Today we have gathered here as young professionals for Gusii region, that is Kisii and Nyamira, specifically to give our people direction, especially young people. Maybe you are yearning to go for elective seats. And actually, as you are aware, we have a presidential candidate from Gusii region, and that is why we have gathered here, both Kisii and Nyamira youth leadership. Without much ado, you allow me now to welcome the Secretary General, my brother Roger Zongeri, to give us a press statement before thereafter to continue to the next level. My brother, welcome.
Thank you so much. Tuko pamoja hapo. Gusii Nation, viva!
Viva!
Gusii Nation, viva!
Viva!
Gusii Nation, viva!
Viva!
Vijana, viva! Vijana, viva!
Viva!
Viva! Viva!
Viva!
Thank you so much, members of the Fourth Estate. Today we are here as the Gusii young people, drawn from our two counties, that is Nyamira County and Kisii County. And we have a resolution as a young people that we want to make. And allow me, ladies and gentlemen, read this statement from our youth people from the Gusii region. We gather here today with one resounding message. The future of our people lies in unity. Our strength as a community, as a nation, as a people depends on how firmly we stand together. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our brothers and sisters in the diaspora. I mean, those guys who welcomed our people in the diaspora as a young people from the Gusii region. We want to thank you. You showed us a reason as to why, as a people, we have to come together. Our people in Gusii have now awakened to the truth that working together is the only way to achieve a lasting development. Visions breeds stagnation, but unit opens doors and shared prosperity. On this International Youth Day, we stand tall with the global community in advancing sustainable development goals. For us, the fight against poverty remains the top of the agenda. Poverty is not lack of resources. It is about the leaders that we choose and we elect at any given time that we are given a chance as a people. Sadly, under the current leadership, our region is weighed down by glaring gaps in development. These gaps exist because resources exist, not because resources are lacking. It is because of our division as a community. You just try to look at this as a community, ladies and gentlemen. When we are together, we are able to ask for things. Our leaders, the leaders that we have currently, somebody went to theater yesterday, they are asking for the airstrip. Airstrip cannot help us, as a people of Kisii County. I mean, we are known as people who venture in agriculture. We need to transport our produce from here to Mombasa. We needed Nyangusu Airport. That is what we had asked for. And we are equally asking for the same. We therefore call upon our people, let us reject politics of handouts and embrace politics of tangible development.
Yes. Yes.
In the coming days, incompetent leaders will try to buy their way back into the office with money. But, ladies and gentlemen, money is temporary. Roads, schools, industries, jobs, those are permanent. Yeah. And those are the things that we demand. Yes. Our young people from Kisii County and Nyamira, and indeed the entire Republic of Kenya, Do not be swayed by the depth of their pockets. Instead, measure a leader by their integrity, to their record, the sincerity of their vision, and the impact of their service. This is not just politics. It is about destiny of our people, our children, our generation. The dignity of our people depends on how we'll be united as a people. Let unity be our banner, development be our mission, and justice be our legacy. Vijana viva, vijana viva. Viva. Gusii Nation, vijana viva. Viva. Now allow me to take this opportunity to welcome again our leader here, such that he makes some remarks, such that we see on how we can move together as a people. As I said earlier, as I read here, my name is Roger Songeri. I come from Bobasi constituency, and I'm the Secretary General to the Youth Council from Gusii region. Thank you so much, Karibu.
Oh, thank you so much for that brief. Viva vijana viva!
Viva!
Viva young people viva!
Viva!
As we have said, we have just converged here today to give our young people across board the direction that we have to come together and united as a nation or as a community. We want to urge our young people, especially the chances who have not registered as voters and who have not acquired the identification card, to do so. And as we are saying right now, as a council, we have formed a vuguvugu or Koa Kenya. And that's why we are giving young people civic education to register as voters and to have the identification card, so that it will be able to help us to elect good leaders come 2027. Viva vijana viva!
Viva!
Lastly, I want to tell our leaders openly today that as young people, if you are elected, please give us the right direction. We have our own candidate, Dr. Matiangi, as a community, and we therefore urge our leaders not to go for handouts or to mislead the community. Instead, to give us hope, and the hope is only Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi. So without much ado, I also want to welcome my brother Makumba.
Viva Gusii Nation, viva!
Viva!
Viva vijana, viva!
Viva!
Thank you so much. My name is Joseph Nchaga, aka Makumba, and I want to speak on behalf of the silent majority of this nation, the youthful community of this nation. Mnajua vizuri kwamba vijana si katika jamii ya Kisii peke yake. Vijana ni jamii zote za Kenya ambao ndio wengi. The destiny of our youth, yes, might not be written by high voices. Yes, I know. But also, it cannot be written by big bank accounts. Our youths, we are going through a very difficult era where the leadership of materialism is taking the silent ruling. And all of us should stay worried. But I want to encourage our youth that yes, those whom we have given power through the laws of this country, they may see us powerless, but we as the youth are not powerless. We have the power of casting a vote. And as my brother said here, sisi wote kama vijana tushike kura zetu. Tuwe tayari, when the time is right, we will cast our vote. All of us have a responsibility. Na mimi nataka niongee na wote viongozi wetu wa sehemu ya Kisii hapa na wale wa sehemu za nchi zingine ya Kenya. Nikisema hivi, we as the leaders from this region, we have a responsibility. We owe it to our people by just following the law. The time has come that leaders cannot unite to sanitize corruption. Leaders cannot unite to prove that inability of a certain leader should be entertained in this country. And that is why we as a community, we are proud of our son, whom we have fronted to be a flag bearer when time is right, come 2027. A man who has a record that is clear, a man who is known for his performance. Kwa hiyo naambia wote ambao mmechaguliwa hapa Kisii na sehemu zingine za Kenya, tafadhali, vijana wanawangoja. The time is coming when it is your name against the marking scheme. And then the returning officer is going to give you your answers. And please, may the history of this country, when it's going to be rewritten again in 2027, never get you in the wrong side. Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
Viva Matiangi viva.
Viva.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I said already.
Okay. Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
My name's Judith Ongiri from Nyamira County, and I'm very proud to stand here next to my colleagues here who have spoken very well. Mine is to just say one thing. Come 2027, we encourage vijana wote, you take your IDs, na to vote. We are voting for good leadership. We are not voting for a tribe. We are voting for someone that will steer us in the right direction. Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
Thank you.
Vijana viva.
Viva.
Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
My name is Ray Angwenyi, equally from Nyamira County. I'd like to say this. Kenya is a government for all of us. We are the people. We were born here. And as Gusii community, we can never go to ANC clinics, have our child carried for 9 months, and then we strangle our own. We must come out even after delivery and protect our child who has been born by ourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time that we must give a rise in our numbers. And how do we do this? Our brothers in this region, our brothers in this country, our brothers in the diaspora, there is one song. We must rally our young people, both female and male, to come out and register as voters. And finally, let us not be awakened by anybody. Let us be driven by our own force that it is our time to stand and be counted. Ili lote lawezekana. Viongozi tuliowapa mamlaka kwa kuwapigia kura, isije ikawa kwamba wamekuwa wapishi, watualike kwa mapishi, lakini tunaposhiba tukumbuke kwamba kuna lile changamoto ambazo tunafaa kushughulikia kama vijana. Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
Thank you so much. Now local dialect.
Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
Form ni form. Form si form until Matiangi akuwe president. Form si form.
Until Matiangi akuwe president.
Form si form.
Until Matiangi akuwe president.
Thank you, members of the Fourth Estate. My name is Gerald Omosa, equally from Nyamira. Now I have a few remarks to make. One, our people have been taken for a ride way too long. And I want to call upon our people, both young and old, that poverty should not hinder us from doing the right thing. Our community, for far too long, have been taken for a ride. You see, when they come here, they give us 64 shillings. When they go to other communities, they give them tangible developments. I call upon our people, let us know where our interests are. And as it stands, Dr. Matiangi is the only leader who has the people's interest at heart. Let us rally behind him. Let us call upon all of us to come together and stick to him. United we stand, divided we fall. It is a time I call upon all of us to come together and do the right thing. And the right thing is standing behind Dr. Fred Okengo.
Matiangi.
A united Kenya is a better Kenya for all of us. Thank you.
Let's go to our...
Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
Haya. Asa Maria Tagongoro kwa mheshimiwa Ensa Limaje. Lero una vijana Gusii, Kisii na Nyamira. Igo tuwachire kubera different cheto kando. Tokwanire amangana atujande tubuna basai. Igo tuwachire tabarai baito. Ochakira o president governors batakorere emirimo tali buna basai twanyorere ngi toko dividend rule ko tumika sabasai. Ono basai entri konyora ebintu bito bwente konyora buna basai. Rituko lyalere ko twamwago cha buna basai amo tokwanira obokongu togwetera basai baito mbabwati gas abantu baito tobwata abarwaire bali kinyagitari sa shu terigokora bono ebyo serikali ito ya Kenya ntunto mangana kurangilia bantu state house tari atu ajorete muri kurangilia bantu state house bucho bachi no kausi ngie 2000 siringi 1000 bibaga parate yo muntu yagwetha kara ku state house yabo gocha Gusii chi accident chikazene kokolekana nchira bara chiyo totogete chibara chiche kisukuru chiro sigu chinyagitari chiro sigu osengaki koruororo omuntu tomaito ra fix Kenya yaito igakorwa mwesimiwa Fred Okengo Matiangi totogete aba komo sayori ole isiko emeri etu achakire korosi boniga totogete gosiekerera iyo siso komo yakore na nunu to igorera mache ngo tutingo to irari igo totogete omolindo gogocha otonyora so mwesimiwa Fred Okengo Matiangi nabantu bagwantawo yama yasati kabasi.
Thank you so much. Enoch. Be very brief and candid.
Abantu baminto mwa Gusii rero twachirega igabuna basae ekegori keriegeke ekogerekena kiekegori kiatebeti Matiangi ate no president omorai orororo William Samoei Ruto iga akere tuchikura chikoruku 7.1 as a 7.1 million 3.9 million iga aruse tiaria ase chikazeni cheito boikoyo 3.9 million ya bonsi pi batebire nga bachenjiri okoboko bachire gocha Gusii Matiangi bakoa na kimoroche Ruto agoseka atagete koiyeri kerende go mochi bo monto amwa 64 tokobori nga abagusii ase more aba mama abasae uri otarabwate ekura tokonyara korusi Ruto onya torabwata kura tokonyara korusi Ruto onya togokeye enchara twensi pinto bwate enchara lakini enchara yaito tigetwara masikane basae ngoko babori nga rituko kere korweri mogochia serindo musasore erengera ringa kiora nyare korusi Ruto because obuna bwo borwiro bonene bore Kenya togochenchi Ruto amangana mariogo na tokinya gitari chipara nchitokinya gitari amangana masomo na mente na bebia na mono abantu batebire nga babwate si Matiangi barete Matiangi esekero asokobori o president Genzi abo barabasaye igomo basagokumia abasaye bari motarabwate ibanda soka mubwate aba mama batata tigatutwara okwegena nga nko bwatoreke o esegere bosio na basabire nga to gendere koremerani nabo igo tuinyore omwana oito Matiangi ase amasago.
Thank you so much.
I'll try.
Yeah.
Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
Viva Kenya viva.
Viva.
Samarieta nkoro kwane tike mto kambuni koru Nyansiongo ward ase Matiangi akoru koru Borabu sub county Nyamira county. Bono buna abaminto bakwana tigato babenge nanda totebeiga vijana tigato ire chikura tobwate ekura titobaisa ko ngainua ekura nerera arusi oyororo bogambi nekura nerera abeke Matiangi obogambi na kende nkeyo tebi abaibori baito chikura babwate na riri tokogenda ororo teba kubasorora ngaki barigererio omwana oito bamoe ekura igera agambe areto bogambi obuya Kenya twarerire ebijana twakorre chiskuru twakorre keregento moisonde twatebi gunga gento ngere korku vijana na gosenaki lakini ntoyero chi asego koregas kazi mtani Uhuru na chetenero he tried go to focus tobe tokore ntonyu chisigara ntonywa maru tobe kasagote boni gento togote ku vijana na kazi ntoyero chi incho mchama beneficiary of vijana na kazi ya Uhuru and I can greatly tell people nga ntu akorete impact gete nja tobegeta segeta boni ga ntobwati asitogo chi chiskuru ntokorete mogo tware no none chinyomba togache. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Leader Nchuga.
Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
Viva Gusii viva.
Viva.
Intuna baraiba Gusii botkisa Nyamira tuachira aseri tukoria rero ga iga somo chubosongo kero kende koa abasae baito ba Gusii hope nyasaye gatwanchire tore bosi bwabo kero kende tokubara egento tuachire aseri tukoria rero tutagete gotebia abasae baito we have a big task etobwate president Gusii a candidate omusike Dr. Fred Matiangi intumne abasae ba Gusii ne jukumu yaito oseneri bagari abene gotebia abasae baito bande bonsi pinga tigato register gotwara chikura to register gotwara chi identification card because into bwate segibo siaiga nakobwa comment kana mono ntoma etenchara nero bali bachiete ese chinyomba chire nyomba eri endabuserugurari mokumia ne bango yabo bachiete kuoya na indente tegotebia abagusii ba minto chibesa chiche chinyinge gwetani chiri bae tuigoro korende chimere bogara mumanyite nge candidate yetu ne president yetu ko Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi elio pi abagusiba minto. Don't lose hope, especially abarai baitu bachorire bachakire kugabekana ochaka gotoira kombo into muna abasai ba Gusii. We want to stand firm that we are more united, or to be united more than before. Inganto bwate cause because yetu bwate candidate yetu tobe role model na saba saibande ase chinse chiriche isuko ba very ready to support Matiangi. Young people chances batara twara chikura tikabatuare egere na intuto chiko ende kere toko ende segi onyora nto bwate birwaniro. Viva vijana, viva
viva. Nchiwango baba na yuko ane Gusii ogitani ngorochi
Samarieta ngoro kurebe kanya tichi bosire naende bakondo kama mama county njebona gento nare gukwanera nigoro y'abantu bari baire tugari. We reject politics of blackmail, we reject politics of handouts. Tutegete politics yego koruere genuine buna bono kanga bari bachiete kanga bachite batote bairwa mabagagete vijana bayi guchigas osenga kimoro chino kanga vijana bietu chigas kabone yotoroche bare bachire na marube abande bari kyo bosigande bintu binde bona mangana yande tutegete kwego ntubone ga abazungu bagote. You cannot stop an idea whose time has come, and the idea is Fred Okengo Matiangi. Viva vijana, viva Matiangi weka
nganchere nanche ngireli bageli nkwaneke Gusii. Vijana viva, vijana viva, vijana viva. Ntagete ko irali bageli nanche buna omurai bwabasae elietalia nenkuru Roger Songeri seitombo basi ndo murai bwabasae ase Gusii yaitogaiga nanche ntagete ko irali bageli kote byabasae baminta se muabita korunyamira paka Gusii County, korunyamaya ya Gusii County paka nyamaya ya Nyamira tocha motora bekanamo. We register as voters ritangani. Ekere tu register as voters, we will be able to bargain for our positions wherever we are. Bunabasai. Igomo igweta basai baminto. Number 2, abarai baito Gusii bali tu akirete chikura in the year 2022. Otoko koba hold accountable all the time. Bunabono Gusii gaiga we have heard abarai baito bonse pibari ya serikali. Mtu abuate ebirogo bialenge seniors GCEO in different capacities as Gusii yaito. Those are the things that we need to be discussing about. Ebina bibinto tobwene togo kwanera. Talinga toko genda mangana ye airport. Airstrip tego tokonya. Airstrip will be bringing abantu bagochera. Lakini airport na bomongina oko olemete chinyeni Mansae, olemete chinyeni South Mogirango. Akubuli kurwali chingeni chiri goza avocado oira paka Nairobi. Otutagete ko basaba that our unity that we want to vote for inegento gego tobeka amo bunomonto na intuto nyale ko make sure ngankonyora tole chi opportunity chiri to desire abasaya babonzi bya bande bale bayiga balimo squeeze to konyora ibaka nonya ne limo lyo bwalimu onye to bwati zaidi ya 300,000 1300 umanye konyora libaga asetiesi ndebi nga country kiyo tura empower boni ge society ya Kenya Bureau of Standards yabantu baminto abasaye moro Kenya Bureau of Statistics ego to working up kiro mwaka otoko release into labor market 50,000 to 60,000 graduates bako genda koligi egasi in the labor market in the middle college where we have TVETs and so many kiro mwaka eko release 700,000 to 800,000 onye ntoko tuara abarai barabaya ngaito kuchikonyora chiga store akolense. Thank you so much.
Vijana viva.
Viva.
Malieta nenkoruku Elijah Bogita korunyalibali. Ntegete gotebaiga. Ondetayo tabwati enchara. Mwanya kerentene ina ninguete enchara. Kolenda abasae baitu buna esabali etogochi. Oikato chiko engata. Nalitora anyale ko oika kanani. Nto basaka ba Musa toro kigukanani lakini nto koraki nto nyerora. Tete gotebaiga. Eganga yeito yo kokora omusike Matiangi abe the 6th president of the Republic of Kenya teli cheche. Ekina kitu amuire na toaka chikura lero tokumambi. Lakini omusike Matiangi akoraki agambe. Tegete koboli eserikali ya bono. Ekere mwaro setie manifesto. Omwatebete nga moche kotoroseri chi market chinyise moche kobeka airport mogateba suneka airstrip nga yabeire mbe nka imwarwerete moko ngaina abantu baito nga bono mwairanirie airport airstrip nga moche mokoreki moche morosi chipara dual carriage ekero korigerie pare yeito ebitongo mbiri ebinge omwaka otigarite gose noyomo tochikoenda chikura igo nkimo gototebe ngo mwairete abana baito mochiko baachiribu 10 momaye kobatebia inara magenderero twaba promised ase emyaka eta nabarai baito kingo korera abarai baito korugusi tiga okora abana ba minto buna amachara ekiagera ekere moko baira State House mwababeka amo mwego handouts omoruroche maate abasani baito mwarorera magenderera agendo mwarorere chi amphitheater mwarorere devolution conference mwarorere blue economy intu abagusi na manoti komioka twarengo koego iga abantu baminto sabari eyero mogusi onde nande tindi gotiana ngoteba tu nobo mine mogusi onde gose morai onde otari gochigotenena no mosike Fred Okengo Matiangi tiga tomokurererimo ui aegwachire
samaritangor kumwange Cyprian a point korubobasi tete gote ya abarai mbari gato chorete bataete current distraction we are not be distracted in whichever way buno mogusi we have numbers buno mogusi na ande bono Fred Okengo Matiangi gogenda State House egendo na tebia abasae chenzi mosoka so bonge motwa boninga kieria ikire nsara yaragire president motwe korugusia okoruku Fred Okengo Matiangi abamoko nyakogenda ngabono Ruto barangeri gochiagari intugusia ntori bantu ba musori bwechingende omosori bwechingende oragerobe watchman meke bara momaete kebara taribo Fred Okengo Matiangi tari gokorugus kosori omogusia sikwe na twensi boniga otorochiararia State House nango na Fred